Schools in California's 7th largest school district are closed today, leaving tens of thousands of students out of the classroom. And that is because San Francisco public school teachers are on strike for the first time in nearly 50 years. The union, representing about 6,000 educators, negotiated through the weekend, but could not come to an agreement about major sticking points. Let's go live now to San Francisco and CBS News Bay Area reporter Veronica Macias. Veronica, we can hear those striking teachers out there with you there. Can you break down what led to the strike and what's keeping the two sides apart?
Good morning, Mugo. Yeah, these teachers out here saying housing is a human right, and this has been a fight over wages. These teachers, educators out here, they've been pushing for months to get an increase in wages. They say they're being priced out of San Francisco. Meanwhile, the district, though, faces a declining enrollment with a projected budget deficit of $100 million. Now, the two sides, like you said, have been meeting. They came together over the weekend. They met for a total of 8 hours on Saturday. Still, no deal was reached. The latest offer here includes fully funded family health care and a 3% wage increase this year and another next year. However, that offer does include cuts to programs and setbacks that the union says they are just not willing to accept. And for that reason, like they had warned, they are spread out across San Francisco schools this morning. And really a historic moment. Like you said, we haven't seen this here in San Francisco in over 50 years.
Yeah, this is a big deal, especially for parents now trying to figure out what's going to happen with their kids and their learning. So what are you hearing from parents about this strike? Do they support the teachers?
Right, so this is a big disruption for working parents, what to do when it comes to child care and also meals that so many families depend on here in San Francisco. We do know that the union has been giving these families plenty of notice about this strike, and they have organized student pods asking families to come up with a plan. We also know that the district, for the meantime, has distributed these independent study packets. So it's kind of like going back to the pandemic days for some students learning from home. As for parents, there are some parents that this really is an inconvenience, a disruption in their day. So we know that some parents angry about the situation, but a lot of parents also in support of the teachers, saying that we are going to back them 100%. They say teachers are the ones who really step in, being almost parents can be the reason why a child is encouraged to go to school and depend on them. So for the time being, even parents who have 3 students enrolled in school doing what they can during this strike that we don't know how long is going to last, Mugo.
Yeah, hopefully not too long. Veronica Macias, thank you so much for joining us on 24/7 today.